So that's what we call campfire. By an abandoned building. That's really good, you know? It's pretty big. That's why I'm going live. Because I want to catch a fire. Breaking glass. I mean, there should be no block in Canada like this. Go like that. I can smell it. I can smell the campfire from here. I wonder if I should phone 311. They're burning shit. It's coming in my window. Oh, right. I don't want to. I'm watching a movie. A lot of shit happening. Nobody wants to go near the Shaw-Go bike. There's something happening up the block because a lot of cops went up there. I really need a better camera system, you know? Unbelievable. Yeah, you hide your bike parts again. Yeah, Davey, see, it's just the street poopers down there.